In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make curved text in Figma. First, open your design in Figma. Make sure you are in the file and on the frame where you want the curved text to appear so everything stays organized. Next, add your text. You can create a new text layer and type out the exact wording you want to curve. It helps to decide on your font and weight now, so what you are curving is close to the final look you are after. Now, open the Plugins menu by pressing Ctrl and / on your keyboard. On Mac, that's Command and /. This opens the Quick Action Search, which is the fastest way to find and launch plugins without hunting through menus. In the search bar, type Arc. If you haven't used it before, install the Arc plugin. Then run it. If it's already installed, just launch it from here. Before you apply any curves, click to select your text layer so the plugin knows which layer to affect. With your text selected, open the Arc plugin panel. You'll see simple controls that let you shape the curve without converting your text to outlines, so you can keep editing the words and styling as needed. Use the bend strength slider to control the curve. Dragging the slider one way will arc the text upward into a smile shape. Dragging it the other way will arc it downward. Start with small adjustments and watch how the curve affects the spacing and readability. Stronger bends are great for badges and seals, while subtle bends keep headings feeling natural and balanced. While you are adjusting, use the preview zoom slider to get a closer look. This makes it easy to spot details like how letters sit along the arc and whether the curve feels even across the word. The best part is that changes update in real time as you drag the slider, so you can fine-tune the curve visually without guessing. When you are happy with the result, click Apply. That locks in the arc effect for your selected text layer and keeps everything aligned with the rest of your design. If you want to refine it further, you can reopen the plugin and continue adjusting. And that's it. Thanks for watching.